that was indeed the coin.
What's up, everyone? We're gonna do a vlog style today. We gotta roll the rear fenders on Will's BMW, scraping pretty much everywhere. So we had to run up to Harbor Freight real quick, grab a heat gun because we have no idea what happened to ours. And the buddies that we were gonna borrow also has no idea what happened to his. So
Check on your tools, kids.
we're gonna go ahead, head on back, get started fender rolling. All right, y'all, we made it back, Will's garage. So this car actually hasn't really been introduced to the channel, much like most of our cars. So I'll go ahead and just do a quick overview of it, just real quick, just so y'all know what we're working on. And then later we will do a more in-depth tour of the vehicles. So for those of you who do not know the vehicle, it is a 2003 330i. Carbon fibre trunk, Apex SM10 wheels. As you can see, is rubbing pretty bad on the tire in the rear, which is why we're here rolling the fender. The car's been S54 swapped. It's pretty much a E46 M3 sedan. For the most part, Will, myself, and his dad did the swap. Swapped the motor, swapped the whole rear end out of the M3. Really not much on this car that hasn't been touched. Got Brahms seats, redid all the interior black, and that's just kind of a basic rundown of the car for right now. Like I said, in future videos, we'll go ahead and do a full more or less garage tour of all of our vehicles. right, so we got the fenders rolled. Camera started to die at the end, so I didn't really get much footage at the end. But he's still rubbing a little bit on like some of the bigger bumps and dips. So we're gonna either look at adding a little bit more camber, or stiffening up the dampening a little bit, and we'll see how it goes from there. But that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.